In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Wise as payment method on Shopify. To begin, log into your Shopify admin. Once you are on the main dashboard, go to the Settings area. This is where Shopify keeps your store-level options, including billing, payments, and account-related details. From there, open Billing. This section is where you manage how Shopify charges your store for subscription fees and other billing-related costs. After you are inside the billing section, look for your billing profile. In some Shopify layouts, you may instead see a Payment Methods area right away. Either option will take you to the part of your account where you can view, manage, or update the card used for billing. If the layout looks a little different on your screen, do not worry. Shopify sometimes updates the design, but the goal is the same. You want to reach the place where payment methods are managed. Once you find that section, click Add Payment Method. This will open the form where you can enter a new card for your Shopify billing account. Here you will type in the details for your Wise Business debit card. Make sure you enter the card information carefully so everything matches exactly as shown on the card. This usually includes the card number, expiration date, and security code, along with any billing details Shopify asks for. Before saving, take a quick moment to review everything for accuracy. Even a small typing mistake can prevent the card from being added successfully. If your Wise card is already active and ready for online payments, it should work as a billing option for your Shopify account. When everything is filled in correctly, click Save. Shopify will then add the Wise Business debit card to your list of available payment methods. After the card has been added, the final thing you need to do is set it as your primary payment method. This is important because your primary method is the one Shopify will use by default for future charges. Once that is done, your Wise card will be set up as the main billing method for your Shopify store. This can be helpful if you want to manage business expenses through Wise or keep your store payments organized in one place. That covers everything you need to know.